Hello guys, welcome to Tactics tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to check blocked contacts on iPhone. So without further ado, let's get started. The first thing that you need to do is to go to your settings and go to apps. And now search for messages, or you can scroll all the way down and find this app. And there you will be able to see the blocked contacts. So if you want to add someone or block someone, you can just simply click the add here button and search for the contact that you want to block. And then that's it guys. I hope that this video helps you, and if it ever did, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.